Set him up on TV now. I'm the motherfucking boss. Ain't believe me now. To the motherfucking top. 40 on my wrist. Diamonds all over my clock. Take my shot and switch. Yeah, it's my time to pop. Hey, look, we are not those type of people.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back to episode 2 of the Budget Build series here in HP Society. We have something pretty interesting here, which is a nice package. Let's go grab it. We have a little something special here for the Budget Build. All right. Hey! So, our first mod to the beautiful Budget Build that we have gotten. This is going to be our first... Does it smell like hot dogs? This is going to be our first mod to our new Budget Build. If you guys have been gone for a while, you guys are probably really confused. We now have a Mustang GT and a Camaro Z28. If you guys have been gone for about 3-4 years now, you guys are probably really confused because the last time you guys were here I had a G37. So, but we're gonna check the spoiler out. Favorite spoiler, by the way. This is one of my favorites. This is the Shelby GT350 track spoiler, which is a very nice spoiler. Motherfucker wants to get out. But, there we go. There we go. Wow. Is this a spoiler or a splitter? Holy shit. No, it's a spoiler. We need that. We need the 3M. There we go. Screws. 3M tape, baby. We are going to switch to the GoPro view right now. All right. So let's take the spoiler off. We kind of know what angle we want to be at. Let's put it right here. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't have the best room here. Obviously with 2 cars now, you know, usually I take one out, that way I have more room, but it's raining and I don't want the Z28 to be out in the rain. Yes, I am that type of guy. What do we need? Let's clean some of this up. Let's grab a microfiber, quick detailer. We're gonna detail this. Yes, I know the decklet as well. This is gonna have to get redone, or we're gonna get a new one coming in pretty soon. But that's gonna be for a later video. My father-in-law is gonna love this. By the way, just so you guys aren't confused, this isn't my car. It's kind of like, this is obviously my father-in-law's car, but it is here. He wants it to be part of the channel. So technically, it's HP Society's car, but it is my father-in-law's car, and you know, he kind of told us, hey man, like I want to build a car. I want you to build it for me. I want it to be a part of your, you know, your racing thing. I'm like, let's do it. So just so you guys aren't confused, this is my father-in-law's car, but it's going to be a part of the channel. So technically it's HP Society's car. So these are the 2 cars you're going to see the most on this channel. Just to let everybody know, because I feel like some people are confused about that. So we're good right now. Not much on there. The 3M tape under here. You know, that's the first time I've seen like the under part painted. Never seen that at all, like ever in my life. We're gonna probably do like maybe 3 lines, and then we're gonna actually put some heat on the tape. That way it doesn't, fuck, I need a razor. Oh, there we go. I'd do another line, honestly. You can't hurt to, you know, put as much 3M adhesive as possible. But that's the first time I've seen the under painted though. I never seen that. Usually they don't really paint that, but that's pretty cool. We're just gonna add one more line. John. There we go. That's 2. All right. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab a heating gun, and it actually makes this kind of like activates the adhesive a lot better. Oh wow, yeah, you see that? That's real sticky. It is sticky. All right. That look good. That look good. Damn, that's pretty good. We just eyeballed it too. All right, that looks even. That looks even. All right. And now we're gonna put down the spoiler. We're gonna put some weight on it. Just make sure that this 3M is on there, but we'll let the 3M sit for a little bit. Let's start this thing up. Dude, that looks freaking good. That spoiler looks perfect. But let's start this thing up. Let's get a cold start. Sounds good. It has a Flowmaster exhaust. Just so you guys know, it does have a Flowmaster exhaust. Pull it forward a little bit. Pull it up a little bit. not all the way out. Sorry guys, my GoPro ran out of battery, but dude, look at this exhaust. It fits it so well with the gray, the black. Dude, this thing looks so sick. I just want to make sure it's even. Oh yeah, that 3M is stuck down. Holy shit, that's some strong 3M. Sorry, there's a little hair on there. I just got my hair cut. I know, I'm pretty. It's all good. Dude, look at that. That is sick. We did a good job with the spoiler. I think it suits it very well. So again, if you guys want to know, this is a GT350 style spoiler, track spoiler. You guys could get it from eBay. I think we got it for about 80 bucks. Link is gonna be down below, just so you guys can get this spoiler. But this is sick, dude. This is 100% sick. That's clean. I'm liking the HP Society garage. We also got a nice little TV right here as well for the summertime, you know, when we're working on cars. Go watch some It's Just a Six video. Shout out to It's Just a Six. He actually has my intro song. That's my intro song that you guys see now. That's his song. So exhaust sounds good with this Flowmaster. Unfortunately, we are taking out the Flowmaster and we're going to be changing the rear diffuser. So we are going to do a quad tip exhaust as well as a RTR style rear diffuser, which again, budget build, baby. We're gonna get this as cheap as possible. We found an exhaust on Facebook Market. I'm pretty sure it's an axle bag MagnaFlow, which is pretty cool. They sound good, so I'm excited. So clean, look at that. I'm loving it. Definitely the next thing we're gonna probably try to find is some spacers. That way we can make this thing a little bit more, standing a little bit more aggressive, but don't worry, the door's open. It's not raining right now, but look at that. That is so sick. So let's actually pull this thing back and yeah. Dude, I'm loving it at this angle. I don't know, it's hard with the GoPro, but here, maybe I can do this. Like, look at it at this angle, dude. It looks so sick. It's gonna be a whole different story with this car, for sure. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm not hating on like the Mach 1 spoiler or you know, the Gen 2 Voodoo spoilers, or I'm pretty sure it's the GT500 spoiler. I'm not crazy about those. I just think those don't look right if it's not a GT500. Personal opinion, again, you know, if you guys had that spoiler and you guys love it, you guys love it. Like on Alex's car, I actually like it because of its color. I think that spoiler matches it very well, but like, I don't know, I'm not crazy about that spoiler. I know people are gonna, you know, say, oh, why don't you get the Mach 1 spoiler, or, you know, the higher spoiler? I don't like that. I like the nice little wicker bill. I'm a GM guy. I like my nice little wicker bill spoilers, you know? But let's pull the car back in. We'll give it a couple revs for you guys. Coyote power, baby. But yeah, I don't know. How do you guys like it? Let me know. This is episode 2, budget build series. Thank you guys so much for joining. Like I said, we have a bunch of more mods coming for this Mustang. We actually got our stainless steel clutch line from UPR Performance, or I'm sorry, UPR Products, and we're gonna have to put that in because we actually got the BG Products fluid that we are going to be replacing in this car, because I know the MT82 loves this type of fluid, and you know, the Ford factory fluid is just straight garbage. So we are going to do that. And then MGW, we're working on something with MGW, so I'm excited for that as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.